Okay, here we have a 2012 Ford F-150. It's a 5.0 liter V8 engine, automatic 6-speed. It's a beautiful race red exterior, very unique. Beautiful wheels and rims, knobby tires, F-150 twin turbo. This has side steps. It's got these beautiful black splash decals on it. And it does have the rollout top for your bed. This is the Flex Fuel Edition with a trailer tow hitch, twin turbo engine. Just beautiful all around. The inside leather is gorgeous. It's a black and red two-tone. You can see very accented. Backup camera, Bluetooth, navigation. Very clean. The back seat also has the beautiful design. Seats do fold down. Price to sell. Come get it.